Do you know there's a money secret that can turn even small savings into millions? It's not luck, it's not the lottery, it's the power of compound interest. Today, I'll explain how it works and how you can use it to become a millionaire. Compound interest means you earn interest not only on your money, but also on the interest your money already made. In simple words, your money starts making money for you. Let's say you invest Rs 10,000 at 10% annual return. After 1 year, you'll have Rs 11,000. But in the second year, you don't earn just on Rs 10,000. You earn on Rs 11,000. So it grows to Rs 12,100. Every year, your base keeps getting bigger. Here's the magic. If you invest just Rs 15,000 every month for 20 years at 12% average return, you'll end up with over Rs 1 crore. And if you continue for 30 years, that amount can cross Rs 3, 5 crores or more, all thanks to compounding. The earlier you start, the richer you'll get. Even small amounts grow huge if you give them enough years. That's why Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. So, if you want to be a millionaire, don't wait. Start investing today, whether in SIPs, mutual funds, or stocks, and let compounding do its magic. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. Did this video motivate you to start investing early? Drop A in the comments if you're ready to grow your wealth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money tips.